Large electric grill just came today and they packaged it very, very well. These working utensils came with it and it was in a double box. There was one box out there, a second box, and a third box, and they packaged it really well. It does come with a manual, but you pretty well know how to use the grill. You turn it on and cook something. What we're going to do on this one is we're going to do some sausage and some eggs. That's a good staple. It's pretty simple. Everything's right here. You should be able to read it. And when we're doing this, we figured about 400 degrees should do it. But it's so convenient because if you have a bunch of company over, I can be cooking on the stove and also using the grill, and it just fits on the kitchen. Now, the other thing I was gonna say, with this griddle, we can take that griddle and go out here and we can actually put on a table in the backyard. So it's really convenient if you have a bunch of people. You can have indoors and outdoors. But see how easily that just fits on the counter? It's really nice to have. What I'm going to do is after we get the food cooked, I will show you what it looks like. Pretty awesome, huh? There you go. And I'm gonna put a link down below so you can get one too. You know what? It's summertime. It would make a really good gift for somebody.